Now let me talk about Sure Logistics. So this is again a interesting application where we use various technologies, including AI, including RPA, including a bit of a IoT also. And I just want to talk about this a bit more. So Sure Logistics is about customers who was using a lot of a third-party courier company for both inbound and outbound goods movement. And these customers had typical issues that they were not using their in-house truckers because the volume was not that much, but they were using lots of courier companies around 12 or 12 13 odds, and this was all across the place: Safe Express, DTDC, Delivery, so on, and there are multiple such companies. So what the key problem here was that how do I track, how do I know where my goods currently are? That was the first important problem area. The second was that how do I know that what was the real cost, what was the actual cost I had to pay, and what was the cost which I actually paid? Because sometimes, depending on the box size, right, box dimensions, the courier charges a bit differently. Because the courier company charges based on the volumetric weight and not on the actual weight. And the volumetric weight is dependent on the weight actually, plus the size of the boxes and all. So with our with software application, depending on the box dimension in inches and centimeter, depending on the weight, depending on the from and to pin code, we can also plan the estimated courier cost. So this is what becomes a kind of a reference or a baseline to start the shipping process. And once the actual goods or actual cost is received from the courier company, we can quickly match whether there's a discrepancy or not. That is the first important thing. The second thing is that how do you quickly create a shipping list? So for shipping list, typically this company had an invoice or a DC for the goods which has to be shipped now. So now in the absence of any software, they were actually maintaining a paper and pen or a Excel where they were copying the items, box numbers and all those things, and then putting the label on the boxes like this is my shipping list. What we have done based on our AI technique of how we can read the invoices, how we can read the DCs, we can quickly read that, get the most important information, the buyer information, the consignee information, the buyer contact name, and the items along with the quantity. So the only thing which the user has to do is just enter the box number, and by entering the box number, my shipping list is ready. And this becomes a ready document for to be given to my courier company. So the courier comes and takes the courier away. The third most important thing was which we have done is that what was happening that since this company was using multiple courier companies and all this courier company had a different website. So to know where my goods currently is, I had to go to those website, key in my LR number or the AWB number and get the status back into my system. So anybody who is calling me, the customer, the salesperson is calling me, I have to go to the website and get the data. What we have done using the RPA, robotic process automation tool, we have integrated all this 12, 13 websites and getting all the data into our software. So that our software becomes our platform becomes one platform by which all the tracking can be done in one place. So the users across the all the department need not go to any other place. All is in the same place. And again, the advantage of this is that we can get the various analytics of where my shipments are going, of where is my higher density. So for example, in case I have to plan for a future warehouse, where do I build? So using the past data, using the geo mapping, we can find out okay, where my future warehouse have to be now built. And this can also do a bit of a forecasting that okay, depending on the past demand, what kind of volumes I'm looking for. This can also tell you who are your good performing versus bad performing courier companies, so that you can take an action on them. So that is what we have done in this particular software application.